Hello everyone, I have a quick haul to share with you and then a little project share at the end and then a few samples of some of the dies that I also purchased. So first of all, I wanted to share with you some of the AliExpress dies that I received. There is this one right here, really cute, comes with about 4 dies. And then this one again comes with, and this one here is a bag die, and then it comes with some Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse themed dies as well. It doesn't come with this one, sorry, that just got thrown in there because I lost the packaging for it. But it's a scallop edge die here. And I apologize because I've moved my craft room into another room, and so I don't know how this setup is going to work out, but anyways, and then I purchased this die. I love this die. I've been wanting this for a while. And that one cuts out like this. And then you can also separate the stars, but I haven't separated the stars yet. And then I also purchased, this here is a ice cream cone, and it also comes with 2 words in the die set as well. And there's the ice cream cone. So let me share with you real quickly what the ice cream cone looks like. I was going to make this into a card or a tag. I did not have time, and as you can see, I didn't even put on the little cone. Now the cone here you can just emboss, which is what I was going to do, or you can use some twine or embroidery thread, and you can crisscross you know, with some embroidery thread and like an X shape. But it's really, really cute. And then it comes with the words here, sweet on you. And then this one as well, you're so sweet. And it comes with the strawberry as well. So I really love this die. And then here's one of the little boxes that I made. I didn't add any acetate behind it yet, but it just says the word fun. And I used this Say Cheese for die set for the word fun. And this is another little die from my stash, and this is the little punch. And then I also made this one, little Minnie Mouse bag. And the yay is also from the Say Cheese for die set that you can pick up from scrapbook.com. And I've already shared this in another video. So here's the back. As you can see, it's the scallop little bag, and it is absolutely adorable. I love this little bag. To a Mickey Mouse or a Minnie Mouse, whichever one you like. Here's the other die, and I added So Sweet. I embossed it with one of my embossing folders, as well as the little tag here. Made a little donut, and then added some goodies inside with a little cellophane bag. So, and added a little clip at the top, and then a bow. So there's that one, and then here's this one. It says Wish, and then added some die cuts inside it and a little bow in a cellophane bag. So there's that. And then these are really nice sized dies. I thought I would just share these with you real quickly. So next I want to share with you a small Tuesday morning haul. I did find this Doris Happy Birthday die, and it is $3.99. So there's a number in case you're wondering. And I did cut it out. So here is the way it cuts out. I think it's beautiful. I love it. And then I cut it out in a different color for the little flower and put some bling in the center of that one. This one here, I added a little crown. Then I picked up this 25-piece America paper pack. It's from Pebbles or American Crafts. The red and white stripes would be perfect for Christmas as well. So here is this, here's a number here. And so it comes with the stars as well for the flag. As you can see, you can make some beautiful projects with these together as well. And the last thing that I picked up was this Hooray paper pad from My Mind's Eye. There's the number there. And I'll do a quick flip through. And then last I did a order from Queen & Company. Now the kits that I got with this order, I was going to do that in a separate video. I wanted to share with you some examples from these dies that I picked up. They gave me this really cute crown bling as a free gift, which I thought was really cute. This is the Sentiment Stackers number 1. And it also comes with a stamp set. Is here with sympathy, merry and bright, celebrate, thank you, you're invited, Dad and Mom. And then it comes with these really fun stamp set to go with the dies. So I think that is awesome. I love that it comes like this where it has the shadowing so you can put it inside and have that look. And then here is Sentiment Stackers number 2. And you get Wish Big, Prayers, Welcome Baby, Best Wishes, You're Awesome, Teacher, and Joy. And you can use foam, glitter, and make it really pop on your pages or your tags or cards. So, and then foundation dies number 1. And I've been wanting these for a while. This has been on my wish list. And so I'm really excited to have these. I will do probably like a video making some cards with these dies and some of my other dies, but I just love these. And then foundations number 2. And I love these as well because you get all these different banners. You get all of these here, which I love that. And then all the banners. So let me just share with you real quickly. I'll turn this over. And I cut some of them out so you can kind of see what they look like cut out. And the other thing that I love about these dies is that they are all stitched. And you can layer these flowers, which makes it really fun. Here's the other scallop circle that you can also add this stitch circle inside. You can also layer them on top of each other. So that is my haul today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!